Hello, I am Reverend Ana Maria Lopez, and I am with New Thought Community. First, I'd like to give a prayer for everyone for this Women's History Month. So if you can just take a deep breath with me. Tenkashalawa wonken tonken ahomitakio yasen. Ancient ones, ancestors, celestial beings of love and light, grandmothers that have walked before us here on this earth, beautiful earth mother. We ask for your guidance in every step that we take, and every breath that we take. We remember that we are part of this oneness, that the trail has been paved for us. It is up to us to pick up this beautiful knowledge, this beautiful wisdom, to be all of who we are, our destiny, our dreams. Today, I say yes for everyone that is here, for all to know that we are all in this together, in this oneness, in this divine presence of expression of just who we are. Yes. Thank you so much. Aho mitakiyo yasen. May we always be blessed in every step. And remember, we come from a long line of trailblazers. Aho. So I'd like to say that what motivates me is the younger generation. My daughter, who is 21, all the 20-year-olds, all the 30-year-olds. It motivates me that we are all concerned for what's happening to our planet, what's happening to our neighbors, and what's happening in our community. It motivates me that we have this gathering of women's history, so we may not forget what it took for us to get here, that we didn't have rights as women early on, that we couldn't vote, we couldn't open up a checking account, and we couldn't get a driver's license. So with this remembrance of our history, it's important for us to celebrate and recognize and open that door for those behind us. That's what motivates me, the younger generation. Keep going, keep doing it, keep on keeping on. Thank you.